So this is hopefully going to be the bottom end of my lawn here. We're trying to do some landscaping major. There's the house, and all the water runs down here. Get lots of water when it rains. And so what I'm doing is I put a 10-inch solid irrigation pipe in. It's a 10-foot by 4-inch, excuse me. And I put a top on here, a drain top. And I got it going over here. Cause I'm gonna have this kind of cut off, and it's gonna be a water buildup there. So that should drain off real good. Down through here, kind of rigged it up. And then there's a little creek right down here by the street, right there. That creek goes up all the way down the road there. So hopefully, this is gonna be all right. I'm almost done here. I'm kind of just trying to save some money here, so that's how I got it going. Better than nothing. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this taped up. Just a little extra protection here. And that should be about it right there. I got the tape right here. And if you hold on a second, I'll be right back. So there's a little piece. Every little bit helps, you know what I mean? So that's what I'm doing. Oops. Hang in there, folks. Hang in there. There we go. I'm trying to get it back to normal. I think that's normal. I'm not sure. Hold on 1 second here. All right. So that's it. I don't even need to do that, but I did it anyways. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw some rock in here, some dirt, some rock. Fill this sucker in. Dig that out a little bit more down there. And that's it. And I got a whole bunch of other shit to do over here. That's it.